everybody, I'm Gokul from RBA. Selling your business should be an exciting event. But do you know only 49% of all companies that go under an LOI actually sell? As a restoration broker who's worked with 350 plus clients over 14 years, I know why this happens. Hey everybody, here's what I want to cover today. 7 lessons I've learned from over 500 million in restoration transactions. Okay, let's get right to it. Let's start with number 1. Time is not your friend when you're trying to sell your business. All right, number 2, the more competition you have, the better your offer and your terms are going to be. Okay, number 3, due diligence is not a chore, it is a necessity. All right, number 4, some parts of the negotiation are more important than others. Number 5, the LOI is the most important stage for a seller. All right, number 6, strategic buyers will give you better offers than financial buyers. And last, number 7, understand leverage. Understand the process and when you as a seller has the most leverage in a transaction. Hey everybody, today I want to talk about the 7 lessons I've learned from doing 500 plus million in restoration transactions. In my previous 3 episodes, we covered time is not your friend. We covered competition equals better offers. We covered due diligence. In today's episode, we're going to talk about how some negotiation points are more important than others. Hey everybody, today I want to talk about point number 4 on the 7 lessons I have learned from 500 million in restoration transactions. And here it is. Some points of a negotiation are more important than others. In other words, not everything in a negotiation is important. So it's really, really critical that you have judgment and preparation as what is important to you and what is not important to you. It's really critical to understand leverage. When do you bring up certain issues? What do you give up? What do you take? And when do you take it? Okay? You got to understand there's about 27 to 30 points in every negotiation that gets hammered out. And there's winners and losers on every issue. And having an advisor by your side to help you navigate through that journey is essential. Selling your business is exciting and should be the pinnacle of your career, and it's complicated to get right. At RBA, we'll help our clients successfully navigate through this journey. We make the complicated simple. Go to www.rbasells.com and check us out.